Hello, it is very common that we would like to execute our solution architecture. That could be part of mission simulation, starting from UAF, concept of operation, and then selecting the solution. And that could be also in SysML or UAF, system of systems view. And we would like to execute that and simulate a mission. So part of that simulation can be radar simulation, which would take the aircraft's position and parameters and plot them. And here you see integrated model, very simple simulation actually, which takes the aircrafts instantiated based on the pattern, right? Aircraft pattern. And we have 4 instances. You see with the name, with the attitude, altitude, flight ID, speed, and initial coordinates. We don't have final coordinates, so it is like randomized. Plus, it takes this radar takes the other aircrafts and creates them randomly, but this all is configurable. So here we have also those instances. We can actually add new instance, and maybe first of all let's run and see how that works. So you run simulation, and based on this data we initiate aircrafts, and you see here they are flying. So completely configurable, and speed depends on the speed provided. We have, you see here drone, which is like slower. We have the aircraft, which is faster, so on. Now, if we run again, you know, it will be a bit different situation, because again, they do not have final coordinates, so just initial coordinates where they appear, you know, but again, this can be configured. One more time. And as you can see, there was also fast aircraft flying through. Now, if you want more data, you know, this is completely configurable, so we can click here, create with parts, and can name it, like, for example, XYZ, experimental aircraft, XYZ. Let's take that it will fly here. And then the speed, let's take speed a bit slower than that, but still fast. And then initial coordinates, let's take like, say in the middle, like 5. Save it, run again. You see this is like appears in the middle and then flies. Okay, so what is the solution architecture here? So as you can see here, we have CATIA Magic generating the model, and from that model, once we execute simulation, Groovy script, this Groovy script, this one, takes the instance model and creates a CSV file. So this CSV file is used by the Python radar app, which is started by CATIA Magic also. At the same time, this Groovy script starts this Python, and Python reads the CSV. Once it finds the CSV generated from CATIA Magic, it loads those aircrafts. So it's one-time load and then it executes. It's not co-simulation. So that's the question for you guys. What do you think would be next and application of this radar? Would you like to have co-simulation and control simulation and feedback loop over the simulation time between the radar application and CATIA Magic simulation? Also, would you like to have other parameters available, like target coordinates and whatnot? Let me know, and we can work on this radar together.